Hey everybody, today I have something special to show you. This is the Micro Roni Gen 4. So what this is a conversion kit where you can turn your pistol basically into a carbine, a PCC, without spending thousands of dollars. The following are a list of firearms that are compatible with this kit. Glock 19s, 17s, 19Xs, G45s, G22s, G31s, and G23s. It can fit any type of Glock, any mainstream Glock. So what makes this conversion kit so unique, it's got long pick rails that you can mount any type of optic you want. Side pick rails if you want to go flashlights, lasers, anything that you'd like. It has an extra mag slot that can double as a little foregrip, which is really unique as well. It has a capability of using a flashlight right here. It has a foldable pistol brace, like so. What also makes this really unique and really awesome is that you can basically have one gun and turn it into two. You can have a handgun, regular Glock, and basically turn it into a carbine. Alright, let me know what you guys think about these micro conversion kits. We can get them in all different types of colors, variants, stuff like that. They even have kits to fit certain types of SIGs or M&Ps. Definitely come by the shop and let me know what you want, and I can get you set up right away. Thank you so much for watching. This is Nova Armory. Hope to see you soon.